Once again, welcome back. And now I'm going to explain chapter 9. So, what is tense? Tense is a set of inflectional forms of a verb that expresses distinction of time. It is show when an action have happened, right? So the concept of tense in English is a method that is used to refer to time past, present and future. All right, so tenses help us to know when the action had taken place. For example, the action had taken place in somewhere past, or the action will take place somewhere in future, or the action is taking place in the present. Understood? So time expresses past means before now, present means now or any time that includes now, future tense after now. So progressive is incomplete action, it means the action is going on. Perfect tense means the action is completed or complete action or state. So let's talk about present tense. Present tense is the tense of the verb which expresses an action which is currently going on or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists. Okay, so there are 4 forms of each tense. Let's talk about the present tense first. So it has 4 forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Now look at the following examples. So present tense also include the habitual action and facts. So just example, I work hard day and night. She sleeps during the day. They shout loudly. So what is the sentence pattern? Firstly, we will write subject in first form of the verb and we use s or es. Understood? With the singular subject. We use the simple present tense to talk about an action that is repeated or is usual. It means if you are talking about a daily action, like I go to school, temple, I take bath daily, I take bath daily, and I brush my teeth every day. So these are sentences where we use simple present tense. Okay, so this action can be a habit, a hobby, or a daily event, or a scheduled event, or something that often happens. It can also be something a person often forgets or usually does not. For example, I sleep early, I usually go for a walk in the morning, my office starts at 8 a.m. Simple present tense is also used to talk about universal truth. It talks about the facts which were true in past or true now. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun rises in the east. Okay, so these are universal truth. Simple present tenses also talk about the scheduled events or planned to be executed in near future. For example, the train leaves the station tonight at 8 p.m. The bus arrives at 6 p.m. When does the class begin? Tomorrow. So we use simple present tense with the verb see, hear, smell, taste. For example, the corner of the road smells badly. Not smelling badly, no. Smell ing form में use नहीं होता है. Understood? And taste, the dish taste is good. I hear this story often. Question in simple present tense, which you can see if you are making it negative or interrogative, so you need to use do or does. Okay, and in negative you will add not also. So let's solve try out 1. Okay, here fill in the blanks with appropriate simple present tense form of the verbs given in the brackets, then tick the statement that says something morally right. So for example, we will put here he is a singular subject, so we will put here singular verb. So he speaks the truth, so it's a good habit, we should tick it. Now she doesn't tell a lie, na? So she is singular verb, so we will put here does not. Yes, this is absolutely correct. They do what is right. Understood? So they do what is right, that is absolutely wonderful, good thing. Now the second thing is I help anyone who comes to seek my help. ओके, सो पैरेलल जो भी मेरे पास आएगा मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. सो दिस वन इज़ एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. आई विल फॉरगिव हिम इफ़ ही सेज सॉरी. तो अगर वो सॉरी बोलेगा तो मैं माफ़ कर दूँगा. ठीक है, मॉरली करेक्ट है. ही डज नॉट स्टार्ट early and gets late for school. तो वो समय पे शुरू नहीं करता, इसलिए देर हो जाता है उसको। सही बात है, ये भी बात बिल्कुल सही है। अगर आप सही समय पे शुरुआत नहीं करेंगे तो आपको तो देर हो ही जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड। सो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट एन एक्शन which is taking place at the time of speaking. Understood? For example, I'm writing a book, so the action is taking place right now. The door is not opening again, I'm still doing my work. So this tense is used to imply that a situation is not permanent. For example, I'm reading a novel by Rhonda Byrne these days. It means it's not permanent. Once it is over, I will read any other book. She is teaching in a primary school. Might be in future she will be teaching somewhere else. So corruption is getting deep into the system. So it is important to note that certain verbs are not used, as I have already told you, like the word like, seem, appear, suppose, want, depend, prefer, consist, need, know, hate, understand, believe, need. ये जो वर्ड होते हैं इनका हम कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. Understood? Now the next question, try out 2. Try out 2 is come out, you are taking so long. So we will write here, you are taking so long. We are waiting for you. So wait will change into waiting. So the spelling is waiting, waiting. Next, what is mom doing? We will write here doing. She is writing letters. So she is single T in writing, writing, not double T. Okay, sorry, correct. Next is he is sleeping. He is sleeping, SEEPING. He is sleeping in his bedroom. Understood? Now my dad doesn't like to disturb when he is working. Simple. This problem is getting bigger